We're going to write linear equations in slope-intercept form and a linear inequality in slope-intercept form, given a graph. So whenever you're doing that, figure out what is slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, and then what's the key features that we need in slope-intercept form? We need an m, we need a b. That's two things that we need to find. So with our first graph, can we figure out what our slope or what our y-intercept is? Let's start with our b. I cross the y-axis at 2. I know y-intercept's 2. Slope, we have rise over run. So again, let's use this as if we were reading a book. I'm starting to the left, I'm going to move to the right. I want to rise. Well, remember that rise just goes up or down. I'm going to go down 2 spots, and going down is a negative, and then I want to run 1, 2, 3 spots. My slope is negative 2/3. Now let's take these two and just substitute them in. Y equals negative 2/3 x plus 2. All right. Now we have an inequality. Inequalities complicate things a little bit, but if you're going to take notice, these two graphs are almost identical. We both cross at the y-intercept at the same time, and our slope is that same negative 2/3. So I already know what my b is. I already know what my m is. We have the equation here, but the only difference is we need to figure out what's the inequality. So let's just start filling things in. Y negative 2/3 x plus 2. I need to know what is this symbol. So let's test a point. I like testing 0, 0. If I were to test 0, 0 into my inequality, it has to come back false, because this is not an answer. All my answer exists up here. So let's plug them in. If I do 0, negative 2/3 times 0 plus 2, and what am I going to put as an inequality here? Well, it could be either a greater than or less than sign. So I'm just going to pick one. Let's see if this makes sense. Is 0 bigger? 0 plus 2. Is 0 bigger than 2? No, 0 is never bigger than 2. That's false. Isn't this false? That's false. This has to be the correct, well, that has to be the correct symbol. Our inequality, y greater than negative 2/3 x plus 2. Why not an equal sign? Is it solid? No. So since it's dashed, there's no equal sign. And is there any other way of doing this? I don't know, maybe. Plug the inequality in, see if it works. We need to just kind of question what's happening here. That is writing an equation and inequality in slope-intercept form given two graphs.